In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fallout 4 not launching on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As of today, there is a known issue with Fallout 4 crashing on launch on the PlayStation 5. In fact, this is so well known that there is a very common fix, which is the one that I'm going to show you in this video. It is specifically tied to a certain DLC, known as the Automatron DLC. So all that you have to do to fix this as soon as possible is to disable the problematic DLC. So go over to the PlayStation 5 home screen and hover over Fallout 4. In there, press the options button, the one with 3 dots, and you will be able to go over to manage game content as I've highlighted here. When you go over to manage game content on the menu that appears, you will be able to see all of the DLC that are currently installed alongside Fallout 4. All that you have to do is uncheck the box next to Automatron. Now this is going to disable the DLC. You can disable the other ones, but for the most part, Automatron is the most common cause of issues. So as long as you disable the Automatron DLC, you will be good to go. You can now try launching Fallout 4 and seeing if this works. If it doesn't work, then sadly you will have to try disabling more DLC or reinstalling the game completely without downloading the Automatron DLC. I recommend that you do a fresh install only if this doesn't work, because for the most part, disabling the Automatron DLC by itself is going to give you the proper results and the game is going to launch without any issues. Alternatively, you can just try doing a fresh install like I mentioned, and if everything else fails, restart your PlayStation 5 and check for updates. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fallout 4 not launching PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.